Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what's similar, visually similar, more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. And on stock Android it's located at the bottom. Click on it, and right here we need to scroll down again and click at the audio adjustment. And right here we have volume balance. So if you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. We just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. It's located under the General Settings, enter into Accessibility. And then we need to scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left. We just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And if you use 100% on the left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!